Based on the MAS publication, gross written premium for engineering for 2025 is about $1.75 billion. This basically comprises both overseas engineering risks as well as local engineering risks, and the percentage in between these two is 80% overseas and 20% local. If we compare the engineering GWP through a 5-year period from 2021 to 2025, we actually grew from 1.2 billion to 1.75 billion over this 5-year period. This basically means compound annual growth rate of about 9.8%. So according to the Building Construction Authority of Singapore, 2025 actually saw about 50.5 billion of new construction contract awarded. 82% of this is attributed to building work and 18% is for the civil engineering work. Demand basically is largely driven by major infrastructure and institutional projects funded by the government, such as MRT expansion, Tuas Port expansion, land reclamation, hospital, Changi Terminal 5 expansion, as well as public and private housing projects. BCA actually expect construction demand to peak at about 47 billion to 53 billion in 2026. Thereafter, demand is expected to moderate between 39 billion to 46 billion annually from 2027 to 2030. We are seeing more complex risks in constructions such as tunneling, wet risks, power generation, pharmaceutical, and semiconductor facility. The technology in this industry continue to evolve along with the risk exposure. Singapore's sustainability agenda is also prompting petrochemical industry to adopt low carbon technology as they modernize their aging facilities. At the same time, contractors are also exploring eco-friendly construction material such as modular timber and advanced composite along with newer and safer construction technology. We are keeping pace with this development closely and are strengthening our risk engineering and technical expertise. This enables us to work more closely with our client and broker to better understand their project requirements, assess the emerging risks, and provide a tailored risk transfer solution. There are two key risks in the short term. The first is the geopolitical uncertainty in the Middle East is affecting shipping routes, commodity prices, and availability of raw materials. The ripple effects are felt globally, and the result is an overall increase in construction costs and the project timeline. Contractors must stay agile to manage the risk. For example, they have to diversify their supply chain and invest in robotics and automation, as well as more efficient method of construction in order to manage their costs. The other emerging risk is climate-related disruption. We are already seeing adverse weather like heavy storm and heat wave. These risks have to be factored into the project timeline. As cost pressure and project uncertainty increase, it's critical for contractors to regularly assess their insurance program and ensure that coverage remains adequate. Beyond CAI/EAR, we also have other insurance products that can complement the current risk gap. For example, in the area of performance bond, cyber insurance, professional indemnity, project cargo, and advanced loss of profit. These are basically designed to complement critical project exposures. The next point is that we are adopting partnership-driven approach. As every project is unique, we are prepared to work closely with the contractor to understand and work together with our client and the broker to provide a tailor-made solution for them. So where risk management is concerned, our underwriter can participate in the review of safety procedure before the start of any hazardous work. It can be welding work, it can also be hot testing and commissioning procedures. So this will help to enhance the contractor's own technical safety expertise and due diligence.